Good afternoon. My name is, as the title suggests, Darren McClintock, and I am the Sales and Marketing Director for Envirowall Global Limited. Today I have been asked to briefly outline some of the reasons why products need to adapt to the needs of the industry in today's marketplace, and I will also give you a brief introduction to one of our hot products, which is Envirowall Straw Board. As climate change brings warmer temperatures, increased frequency and severity of extreme weather events, and decreased availability of natural resources, retailers and consumer product companies can expect their consumers, their supply chains, and their retail locations to feel the impacts. Many companies are paying attention to climate change due to growing consumer awareness and related purchasing priorities, due to stakeholder and reporting expectations, and also increasing supply chain cost and disruption. In response, companies like Envirowall Global Limited are implementing more sustainable products and more efficient technologies to answer this need. Envirowall Global Limited recognise that a significant proportion of the environmental impact occurs during the commercial fit-out phase as much as it does in the production of the products themselves, and our focus is solely on developing products that enable retailers and consumer product companies to reduce their carbon impact and significantly enhance their sustainability credentials. Most companies have significant opportunity to improve their knowledge about products that they can use to offer a better solution. One of the key issues is that the shortages of raw materials and natural resources affect production capacity, availability, and cost. We like to call this the biomass effect. Envirowall Global Limited are currently working with a number of product research and development teams to investigate, test, and utilise Envirowall straw board as an alternative to traditional carcinogenic materials such as MDF and chipboard. The use of healthy materials in construction promotes better indoor quality air for building occupants. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs as they are commonly known, have high vapour pressures when released into the air, especially indoors. This can have harmful effects on human health. They are emitted by a wide range of products including building materials, furnishings, paints, and cleaning products. Low and VOC-free products and materials have been developed by a number of manufacturers for use in place of traditional harsh chemical-based materials. Natural straw is a new material that not only helps mitigate the risk posed by the shortage of currently used raw materials, but also with Envirowall straw board, we have introduced to the industry the most sustainable panel product that exists in the marketplace today. Okay, so why is there a need for change? Okay, the first slide, I've just really outlined some of the main reasons that from a legislative and policy perspective there are pressures, increased pressures on business to tackle climate change. The Department of Energy and Climate Change, the DECC, was set up in October 2008. The Committee on Climate Change, independent body formed December 2008. The Climate Change Act takes into consideration all the following policy, and that includes EU Emissions Trading System, Carbon Budgets Order 2009, Carbon Capture and Storage, Carbon Offsetting, CRC Energy Efficiency Scheme, the Renewable Energy Strategy, Low Carbon Transition Plan will all be used to report to the EU on the GHG Energy Sharing Decision 2008. SCA Retail, BREEAM and LEED focus on the choices we make with the materials we use. So all of these factors combine to increase pressure on industry to continue to find ways to adapt our products and processes to demonstrate our commitment to sustainability. Okay, consumer perception on climate change. As consumers become more aware of climate change, they're increasingly favouring products and companies that demonstrate efforts to reduce their environmental impact. And consumers are receptive to companies who are seen to be tackling the sustainability issue and want them to do more. Envirowall Global Limited is a market leader in bringing new sustainable products to the market. So who are we? Well, we are a sustainable panel manufacturer first and foremost, and sustainability is at the core of everything we do. We have an experienced design team who identify the issues and design bespoke sustainable solutions. We provide a specialist resource which is always available to engage with clients at all levels. This is of the utmost importance. We provide products that benefit the SCA retail assessment process, and we have been an active member of the UK-GBC since its inception, and in fact for the last 3 years we've been involved in building their stand for the EcoBuild show. So let's take a quick look at our Halo product, Envirowall straw board. Envirowall straw board, the most sustainable panel in the marketplace. This is an eco-alternative to timber-based products. The applications that we can use this for include the following: customer service desks, cubicles, partitions, furniture, wall panelling, doors, shelving, skirting. The list is endless. In fact, anywhere you can use MDF or chipboard, you can effectively use Envirowall straw board. It's consisted of 97% straw and 3% MDI resin. It is 100% waste material, 100% sustainable, 100% recyclable, and 100% biodegradable. There are 0 volatile organic compounds and 0 formaldehyde. Helps to achieve your CSR goals and, in fact, is a carbon positive product. The accreditations we're working towards include the ISO 14001, ISO 9001 and BES 6001, which should be in February 2012. We are the only, effectively, will be the only panel product to directly contribute to the BREEAM rating. No doubt, but by using Envirowall straw board in place of MDF and chipboard will enhance your sustainability credentials. It will also assist the SCA retail assessment process, and we have been involved in projects recently with Lush, M&S, Asda, and we're doing some prototyping work with Sainsbury's and also Deloitte in their Olympic Pavilion. And of course, not to forget the positive consumer marketing that you can get by using the product and the PR message opportunities. Okay, well that's everything from me for today. I would just like to hand back to Sam Pickering from Dealing Strategies. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to speaking to you individually throughout the evening.